Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Didn't want my travel trailer fans to forget about me, so I'm going to shoot a couple of these. 2017 Forest River Tracer. The model number is a 235. It's a lightweight, ultralight camper, 4,519 pounds if memory serves me right. It has a slide out, fiberglass exterior, really nice, really clean for $14,900, folks. It's a nice little camper. Doesn't hardly show any use. Power tongue jack. It's got, of course, new deep cycle battery on the front, or will have a new deep cycle battery when we go through our inspection process. Got a nice awning. And you can see there's no delamination, the striping, the finish. Of course, you know, it's only 2 years old, so you can't expect much use on it. Got a nice deep slide, 36 inches. Got a slide topper, which you don't see that on a lot of ultralights. Back corners look great. It's got a flip down rear rack, which I put down for you. And you can use that, of course, you got a spare tire back there too. But you can use that for firewood, for coolers, for bicycles. Number of uses right there, folks. But it's only 26 feet long, and that's including the tongue without the rack down. Tracer Air 235. Got that black diamond shield on the front, diamond plating. Got the stick-on levelers. Outside speakers. 6-gallon DSI water heater. This is a nice little camper. Got the TPO roof with the 12-year factory warranty. Turner Bond construction with the extreme thermal package. So you like winter camping, this thing can handle it. Let's look inside. I'm doing this with no power or no light, so y'all forgive me if it's a little dark in here. But where I'm at, there is no power anywhere. Of course, Big Bo was here, 2019. Anyway, you know, most ultralight campers are normally just pretty bare bones and minimum, but this thing right here has got some nice features. It's got ducted roof air, LED lights, got nice light fixtures, HD TV. Actually has a real oven. It's stainless steel, microwave, stainless steel, Jensen audio system, Queen Island bed in the front with a privacy curtain, mini closets on each side, nice countertops, no carpet in here except in the slide out, so that's a nice feature. At least it is to me, but you can still sleep up to 4 in here. Look back here, nice kitchen area for a small camper. This is only 26 feet long, so that's relatively small for a travel trailer. And you can see you got all kinds of counter space, double basin sink, 3-burner stove top, doesn't show much use, 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, and got the handy dandy marker board on it. Of course, I don't have any power, so obviously it's not on, but it's clean. I like the pantry. In case you forget what you want to keep in here, you got a label. And you got some nice shelving, and you can hang some clothes up here too, so it can be a pantry slash closet. Open this door up right here. Now, how many ultralights do you see have a surround glass shower? Definitely more of an upscale ultralight. Medicine cabinet, RV toilet. You know, this is the easy size to drive and tow, or not drive, but tow. And it's an easy size to park in your spot. At 4,500 pounds, that opens you up to a variety of vehicles that you can tow it with. And if you're not sure what your vehicle can tow, check out my handy dandy tow guide on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Enter in your vehicle information, and it will tell you what your vehicle's rated to tow, as well as it will also show you all the RVs, all the towable RVs in my inventory that you can tow with your vehicle. So really handy feature. Now, disclaimer, that's a third-party service. It's deemed reliable but not guaranteed. Before you buy a camper or fifth wheel, based on the information provided in the tow guide, please call your vehicle dealer to verify what the tow guide tells you as far as what your vehicle can tow. Every vehicle's a little different, folks. Different rear end ratio, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, engine size, all that's a factor in what your vehicle's rated to tow. So make sure you have all the details about your vehicle before going to the tow guide. But anyway, folks, nice little camper. Comes with a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. Comes with a complete checkout that's done by my certified RV techs after purchase for only $14,900. Folks, if you bought this thing brand new 2 years ago and financed it, paid 15% down like you're supposed to, there's no way you could afford to sell it for this. You'd still owe 21, 22 grand on it. Here it is for $14,900. Still has no odors in it, no smoke, no pet odors, and definitely has not been used, especially not considering what it costs new to what it costs now. So $14,900, let somebody else take the hit on it. You reap the benefits, because you put this next to a 2019, you can't tell a bit of difference, except this one's probably 8 to 10 grand less. And it comes with a warranty, a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. You can extend very affordably. Already got the TV in it. You know, most time that's extra if you buy it from a dealer. But it's got the TV already in it installed, got the Jensen audio, CD, DVD player installed, got inside, outside speakers. Very well equipped. The extreme thermal package gives you a little extra protection if you want a winter camp. And, you know, give us a call if you're interested, 706-965-7929. Number's answered 24/7. Got a great selection of used travel trailers right now, small, big. I've got them anywhere from 18 feet long to 45 feet long, and everything in between. I've got a great selection of fifth wheels, toy haulers. Folks, you just don't realize the amount of used inventory that I have. I mean, I have got a ton of it and more on the way. Just ordered 6 brand new Prowlers. That's the only brand I carry new, so I'll have 6 new Prowlers here on the lot here soon. Got several used campers, all at great savings over MSRP. Folks, it's Parkway RV Center, family owned and operated for 51 years. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. Check out our great selection. If you don't see what you're looking for, folks, I've got a ton of stuff not on the internet yet. Call my salespeople. I had a lady thank me for this today, giving her this advice, because she wound up coming here from Texas to buy one because she looked on the website, didn't see what she was looking for. Got a hold of one of my salespeople, Steven, and he sent her, she told him what she was looking for. We had it. He sent her pictures. She bought it. Never even had to put it online, folks. So that's how a lot of people buy campers from us. So please go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. If you don't see what you're looking for, give us a call. We may have your next RV for you and your family sitting here in our lot. You just don't know about it yet. Or, best yet, come visit with us in person. You'll be prepared to spend a couple hours here. You're going to spend at least 2 hours looking, folks. A lot of stuff, great prices, 51 years in business. We sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. We don't play around, folks. Easy, simple, and done. Haggle-free pricing. All qualifying units come with a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. All units, unless marked as is or back row bargain, include a complete inspection that's done after purchase by our certified and trained RV techs. Click on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com, and you'll see a massive 4-page checklist going into detail about everything that we check out for the price you pay and guarantee. And it pretty much covers everything on this little camper. But check out that website, check out that checkout sheet. I have pictures, specs, details, and more. A lot more information than what's on YouTube, so click on to the video description below if you're watching this on YouTube. And there'll be in the first paragraph, there will be a link to our used travel trailer page. Click on that. You're going to be impressed, folks, especially when you see everything that we check out for the price you pay and guarantee. And do it for $14,900 plus applicable sales tax, no fees, no dock fees, no prep fees, no thousands of dollars in these BS after sales fees that other dealers charge. Folks, we keep things easy, simple, and done. No fees, haggle-free pricing, and no commission salespeople. So everything you hate about buying a used vehicle, we eliminated years ago. That's why we've been doing this for over half a century, folks. You don't stay in this business that long unless you're doing something right. We retail 500 to 600 used RVs, campers, fifth wheels of all shapes and sizes every single year. And we've always been here for you, always going to be, folks. So You know, we look at you as a customer for life. So come out and visit with us, folks. You'll be happy you did. We're the only dealership around that you can look at 150, 60 plus used RVs unescorted during business hours with no salesperson following you around. You don't have to go into a showroom and give the salesperson all your personal information before they let you on the lot to look at the inventory. Folks, you can come look at your own leisure with or without a salesperson. Just pop your head in the showroom if you need help. We keep things easy, simple, and done. These are, you know, we've been doing this for a long time. We've got 51 years of customer feedback. Trust me, folks, we've got it. This is our business. We do it great. And you'll agree once you see what we have in person. We only sell the best of the best. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the link below and check us out. Financing available with approved credit, and nationwide delivery is also available. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.